Welcome to Jurassic World. Hey, what is going on, guys? Jack here, or Emerald, and welcome back to another Minecraft mod showcase. Where today we're going to be checking out the Jurassic World mod, and this one is so cool. So I've actually got a special Jurassic World themed map here, and we're currently riding on the rails, which is really awesome. So there's like this big monorail thing going around the whole island. It's really cool. So I've seen the first Jurassic World movie. I haven't seen the brand new one, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, I believe it's called. I have not seen that yet. Is it even out? I don't even know if it's out yet. But I haven't seen it basically, and I've seen the first one, of course. The first one was really good. I really enjoyed it, and I've seen all the original Jurassic Park movies. They're all really good. I like them a lot. So yeah, we're going to take the monorail here, and we're going to get to our first destination. Yes, the Herbivore exhibition. So in this pen we have Parasaurolophus. We have Brachiosaurs, we have Triceratops, and we also have one more, if I can find, there's one, Mosasaurs. We have Mosasaurs, and we have Parasaurolophus, I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, but so we have 4 exhibitions in here. There are baby variations of each of the different dinosaurs, and we also have some items in here to help us. So these are all the different spawn eggs for each of the dinosaurs in the mod. We also have some goats for some testing, if you know what I mean, for some of the carnivore expeditions. But yeah, I also have this in case things get a bit ugly. We have the dart gun and the dart tranquilizer, just in case, because I'll just do a demonstration of these guys here. These are non-lethal, so they won't hurt the dinosaurs, but they will kind of put them to sleep, so they can't hurt us in case they do get a bit crazy. Okay, stop. These guys are going crazy for some reason. Okay, we put him down for a while. These guys are going a bit crazy, so we're going to have to like give them a break here, give them a timeout, because they're going to cause a stampede soon if we're not careful. Come on, go down, go down. Nope, go down, go, stop. You need to chill, Okay, there we go. That's better. Alright, so those are the Paracephalosaurs. I think it's how you say it anyway. Then we have the Triceratops over here. They're all passive, they're all herbivores. They will not attack me, they're all very friendly. Unless I attack them, then they might. Or they're children, I think they attack me then. But that's expected, so. Oh my god. Oh, are they angry? I can't tell. There's a Brachiosaur over there. He's just sticking his head over the tree. Look at you go, man. Look at you go. He's really cool. So the Brachiosaurs typically have about 100 health. A little bit more maybe sometimes. And the can I find a baby one? Actually, there's one. There's the baby one. The baby ones do have a lot less health, but they will of course grow into full-size adult Brachiosaurs in a good space of time. It does take a while, but they will eventually. And there's also baby Triceratops somewhere. There should be one somewhere. Should be one in there somewhere in the herd. But yeah, these are the Triceratops, and they look really cool. And there's also these little guys over here, the Mosasaurs. This is as big as they get. The smaller ones are even tinier than this. The small Mosasaurs are like absolutely tiny. They're really small, like insanely small. So if we can find one, that would be great actually, but they're really hard to see because they're so tiny. But we can hopefully find one eventually, and I can show them off. So the baby Parasaurs are actually, there's a baby Triceratops over there, and the baby Parasaur, I'm just gonna call them Paras for now. The baby Paras are actually really cute, and I can't seem to find one though. There was one over there with the rest of the herd, but I think he just disappeared. He's in there somewhere. Don't worry. There's also a baby Mosasaur somewhere I can't find. But anyway, that's pretty much enough from the Herbivore exhibit. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna grab our Jeep and we're gonna head off to the next exhibit. Alright, here we go. We're now leaving the Herbivore exhibit. Goodbye, guys. Have fun with your eating grass and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head off over through here, through this trail over here, this little pathway, little road type off-road thing, you know what I mean? And we're gonna head over to the next exhibit, which is the Velociraptor exhibit. Alright, so here we are now at the Velociraptor exhibit, and we can actually just hop out of our car here. And there's some statues actually around here. It's just these guys that are pretending to be guards. And they help fool the dinosaurs if they see pretend guards guarding them. Because it just, yeah, they're easy to trick, okay? So yeah, these are the Velociraptors, and oh my god, these guys are so cool. They are very vicious, of course, and they can jump extremely high. That's why we built the walls super high, so they can't jump up and kill us, because that's not very good. But yeah, they're they're extremely like aggressive. But they can be slightly tamed, but not really, if you know what I mean. Like, watch what happens if I put a goat in here, right? So, alright, goat, do your thing. Oh, that's kind of awkward. Okay, we'll go a bit lower so the goat doesn't die fall damage. Okay, we're going to drop the goat right here. Right, goat. Do your thing. Do your thing, goat. Oh god, this poor goat, man. I feel so bad for this goat. They're just circling him. They're just circling him. They're just eyeing up the prey. Oh no, goat. Goat, no. Oh, the goat, no. So yeah, this one here right underneath me, this one right here. Oh wait, this one, the big one. The big one there, that big orange one is the alpha of the group. There's 4 Velociraptors currently in here, and that one is the alpha. We call him blue. Yeah, there's currently 4 Velociraptors, and that one right there is the alpha. So yeah, he's pretty crazy to be honest. And typically they have a good bit of health. They have usually like 20-ish, a little bit more. Sorry, like they have like 17 hearts. No. No. Oh god, what have I done? What have I done? This is like Jurassic World all over again. Okay, they don't seem to be watching me. They don't seem to be watching me. Alright. I'm gonna have to... Okay, there's the door. And... Go! Go, 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 close the door. Okay. Oh my god, they're very fast, I'll say that much. They are very fast. Where am I? I've never been to here before. Okay, so we're gonna get back onto the road and head to the next exhibit. Oh, on my way back I found this. This is the old Jurassic Park. Oh man, it's all crowded in vines and stuff. Yeah, this is the old Jurassic Park building. And this is where everything went down basically. And oh, it's so abandoned. Oh my god, there's a skeleton in here of, it looks like a Tyrannosaurus. I think, yeah, it is a Tyrannosaurus skeleton. Okay. Interesting. So obviously stuff went down here, and of course this was abandoned back in the day and replaced with our new park, the new Jurassic World. And we don't have things like this happen anymore because we're a lot more safe about how we plan our buildings and stuff. So anyway, let's get back to the Jeep and we'll head off to the next exhibit, as I was saying. Alrighty, and we are approaching the next exhibit right now, and if I can park this properly, that would be great. Oh god, I just rolled over a cactus, I think. Alright, there we go. That's close enough to good parking, I guess. Alright, let's get out, and, oh my god. Okay, so, yeah, another fake guard over here, and a few more down there, just to distract these guys, because they are pretty smart, to be honest, and if they see that there's no one around, they'll try something. And they'll find a way out, because these dinosaurs are very intelligent, actually. They will actually find a way out. So yeah, we can head up here and we'll see the next exhibit. This is another carnivore one. If we try to put any animals in, they just literally will destroy them. So yeah, it's very carnivorous, these species. But yes, these guys are extremely aggressive and usually only come out at nighttime. That's why I'm probably going to wait till nighttime for them to actually show, because they kind of just like hide and sleep a lot during the day, you know, they're really inactive. So I'm going to wait till it's nighttime and you get to see them in their full glory. Ah, much better. So it is now nighttime. We get to see these guys in their full glory. I've spawned in a couple of goats already, and they're kind of like destroying them. To be honest, only 2 left, I think. So I'm going to spawn some more here, and we'll get to see them up close, hopefully. But I just hope they don't want me more than the goats, because like, okay, there we go. That's yeah. Now you're talking. Oh god, they're firing at me still. Oh no, no goats, go back. Take the medicine, goats. Go get them. Go get. Poor goat. Okay. Oh no, they're hunting the goat. And these guys can walk on all 4s or on 2 legs, so they are really durable actually. They can do a lot of things. So they've already killed like several goats at this stage. And another attack they have, they actually spit acid. And the acid will give you nausea and blindness when you get hit by it, so you do definitely want to avoid that stuff. It is pretty nasty. So yeah, those are pretty much the Dilos, like I just call them Dilos. Dilophosaurus, they're really hard to pronounce. Like a lot of dinosaurs' names are hard to pronounce, but the Dilos basically is what they're called, and they are very aggressive. That's why we have to leave the other species away from them. So yeah, anyway, moving on. Whoa, 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 hold up. This is not supposed to be here. This is a Tyrannosaurus mark, and it's going into the Dilo's cage. So I'm assuming some Tyrannosaurs were here and they wanted to eat these guys, because they're a lot smaller than Tyrannosaurus obviously, and they'd be easy prey for a Tyrannosaur, to be honest. So that's not good. I have to go call someone about that. Okay, what should I do about that though? How would we fix that in time? Because we have to open an exhibit tomorrow. Oh. Those are 3 Tyrannosaurs. I'm gonna get this dart gun ready. Does he see me? Please don't see me. Do you see me? I'm gonna tranquilize these guys, and hopefully someone will go pick them up in time. Because can I get the last one? No, the last one's too far away. I can't risk going over there. Okay. Hopefully someone can stop those in time. I'm gonna get to the helicopter pad, and yeah, we're gonna go to the next exhibit. Okay. Yeah, okay. So those guys, I'm gonna call someone in, and hopefully they'll take care of the Tyrannosaurs, and hopefully they'll be back in their exhibit in time for when I have to actually showcase that. Oh man, I really hope the Rangers can deal with those Tyrannosaurs in time. We have an exhibit opening next week. And there's Tyrannosaurs on the loose. Oh my god. So bad. But anyway, in this exhibit we have the Microraptors, and we also have the Gallimimus. And the Gallimimus, I can't see anywhere. Oh wait, there's one over there. And the Gallimimus, they're both predators, so they were definitely suited for each other to be in the same enclosure. Because they do have fights sometimes. There's a little rows between them, but they don't really tend to eat each other. You know, they don't really like kill each other. They can be quite aggressive for each other sometimes though, so it is kind of best to stay away and keep our distance. So they're killing the goat over there right now. The Microraptors are pretty crazy. They can jump super high, and they also fly. Sometimes, well, they don't fly, they glide, sorry. If they flew, we'd be in some trouble. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's enough of that. Let's move on to the next one, the final one, the coelacanth enclosure. And here we have the coelacanth enclosure, and these guys are really passive. They don't do a whole lot. We could just like swim in here with them, I guess. They just kind of sit around and do nothing. They're really chill, but they're massive. Look at the size of them. These are basically, remember, these are the fish of the prehistoric era. They are so big compared to the fish we have now. They're like the size of sharks compared to, like, oh my god, it's crazy. It's so crazy. But yeah, they just kind of sit around, don't do a whole lot. They have 10 HP between them, and the baby ones only have like 2 or 4, so they are pretty weak. But yeah, they're pretty cool, I guess. They just kind of sit around their little pool and just chill. Just chill out, man. So yeah, anyway, I thought this was the final enclosure. I lied, okay? So there's one more, but I don't know if it'll even work properly because it's the Tyrannosaur enclosure. So we actually keep our Tyrannosaurs inside an extinct volcano. Basically, it doesn't erupt anymore. We dug it out, and this is what it looks like, and there's only 2. So there's supposed to be 5 Tyrannosaurs, and there's only 2 in there. There's a female. There's only, is there one? It's a female and a male, I think, in there. There's supposed to be. Okay, wait. Where's the other one? Wait, where is he? There. Is that him there? Yeah, that's him there. So, or is it? Wait, is it 2 females or a male? I can't tell if that's a female or a male. But oh god, how did they get out? There's 1 missing, or there's 3 missing, I should say. There's 3 missing. Oh, there's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. Red alert! Red alert! There's a hole. There's a hole. Okay. Yeah, there's a massive crater in the side of the volcano. Fantastic. So there must have been like a landfall or something, and yeah, basically there's 3 Tyrannosaurs on the loose. So yeah, is this 2 females? Yeah, there's 2 females in here, and there's 2 males on the loose and 1 female. So this is not good. This is really not good. Okay, I tranquilized both of them. So we have to get some rangers out to see if we can hunt down those last 3, because they're going to be a serious issue. Oh god, no. It got into the Herbivore exhibit. Oh god. Oh, it's already killed a bunch. It's currently eating the carcass of a... Oh, it's eating a Paris. It's eating a Paris. Okay, I need to go get the rangers and see if we can sort this out, because... Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god, no. There's 2. There's 2 there. This is where the tourists are going to be tomorrow. What the... No! Okay, I need to get down there and sort this out. Okay, so it's a male and a female. Female's on the far side, the male's right here. I got my tranquilizer dart gun ready. Alright, chicken, it's gonna be okay. Start to tranquilize the chicken. Okay, take your egg back, okay. Okay, doesn't see me. I don't have a clear shot yet, so I need to get around here. How do I want to do this? Break this down. Okay, how do I want to do this? Okay. I need to go... I hit him in the chest. The only way I can get him is in the chest. Okay, he's chasing. Oh no. Oh god. Okay. I think I may have escaped. No. 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 Okay. Ooh, I almost missed twice. If I missed twice, that was game over. Okay, got him in the chest. Oh, here's the female. Okay. Okay, we gotta run. We gotta run. No. Oh my god, that was so close. That was so close. Oh man. Okay. So those two are tranquilized. We have to get back as soon as possible to the Herbivore exhibit because there's one left and he's destroying the whole population. Alright, we're back at the Herbivore exhibit. I don't know if he's still here even. He could have left by now. Okay, the Paris is still over there, so he didn't finish eating the corpse yet. There he is. He's over there. Okay. Alright, you. Alright, you. Okay, I'm gonna wait for him to be distracted because this is a very open area. He can get me very easily. He's a lot faster than I am, obviously. So how do I want to do this? I guess I'll wait for him to be distracted. Oh no, the Triceratops is in the way. No, move Triceratops. Okay. He's resting. He doesn't know I'm here. Perfect. Okay. If I can sneak behind him. Oh no. He's not here. He might start attacking. He's obviously not hungry because he's not chasing any of the herbivores. He might soon. Okay, never mind. He's going for the Triceratops. Okay, he's distracted. We have to go now. Okay, I can't get clear shot though. No, we got the Triceratops. Okay. He's going for the corpse. Okay. I can't get his chest. I have to get his chest. He's going for me. Don't go for me. Let's get his chest exposed. And come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. What's he doing? What's he doing? Under the Brachiosaur. Under the Brachiosaur. We can get some cover this way at least. Okay, and there we go. Whew. That was rough. That was really rough. But anyway guys, that of course was the JURASSICRAFT mod. I hope you did enjoy. If you did enjoy, make sure to go slap the like button and subscribe of course if you are new. And if you want to go check out this mod for yourself, it'll be available of course download it in the description as always. And I highly recommend you do it because it is a really fun mod. And I could see it being played in like a survival series or something very easily. There's plenty on the mod page to show you how to do all like the breeding and the actual creating of the dinosaurs and stuff. It's pretty detailed, so you do want to actually pay attention to that. So yeah, anyway guys, that's just going to do it for me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.